What's going on, everyone? Jack here. I got something totally different today. We got this RC car. I put a Caddx Vista on it, and this thing flies, so I thought, why not? I've been driving the E-Max, at least my kids have been driving that E-Max car a ton around the house, having fun with the dog, and I thought, let's take this up to the next level, because this thing is fast and fun, and DJI FPV is pretty darn clear, so let's get after it. Okay, so you can see I mounted my Caddx Vista. This is actually a naked Vista that I took from a drone that I destroyed, not on purpose, of course, but I left the canopy on there. I thought it might offer a little bit of protection, and then basically I just wired power to it. Now I need a 3S battery, so I got this little 450 that I'm going to plug in. Because this is a 2S battery that the car runs on. So I'm gonna plug it all in, and then we're gonna do some FPV driving. So it turns out this is a lot of fun, but it's also pretty darn tricky. It's gonna definitely take some practice, but I'm up for the challenge. Now, if you're not up for doing this, but you do really want some cool footage that looks pretty similar, throw the Insta360 Go Cam on there. It stabilizes it, which is pretty awesome. Or, hey, do both. Drive it and throw the camera on there. That way you get some stabilized footage as well. This was actually a whole lot harder to drive than I thought. Lots of fun. But really difficult. You don't have those fine movements that, well, at least I don't, because I'm not a really skilled RC car pilot, right? But it's fun. So if you're looking for something fun to do, definitely put FPV on an RC car. It takes it up a whole nother level. This one here is on sale right now. Banggood's got a sale, and I've got an exclusive code. I got that down in the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time, guys.